welcome to Pocky's channel. Today we are giving his bedroom a makeover. And as you can see, he doesn't have much in it, just a bed and some toys. He does have a lovely view though. There is a lot of wasted space because right now his gate doesn't fit underneath this desk. I've also noticed Pocky's a little scared of his metal gate, so he won't open the door unless I do it for him. Watch. Okay, come. The door's open for you. Come on. I'm not carrying you out. Come on, out. Let's go. Okay. Pocky. There you go. Come on. See what I mean, guys? Living with a corgi. So the new gate I got for Pocky is a toddler's playpen. As you can see, there's toys over there. All the walls will have moons and stars on it in blue and white. And the gate is a cute little owl. Okay, let's build it. I've just finished building it. It's quite large. Oh crap, it's moving as well. I'll fix that. I think I'm going to move the door over there. I thought it'd be cool if Pocky had a walkway into his room. And I went with a nice little L shape. Good job! You've got this. Off Aliexpress for $20. After the New Year's, I'll probably take all the Christmas lights down and put in this battery-powered fairy light. Do you like your room, Pocky? And what do you want me to tell them? Okay, I will.